Hey guys, welcome to tummykitchen.com. I'm Manini. Today I'm going to show you how to cook spring onion in potato fry. So for that we need chopped spring onion, small pieces of potatoes and sliced green chili. First take a pan to heat oil. Once the oil is hot, put cumin seeds, sliced green chilies and lastly put chopped potatoes to fry them together. Then put the chopped spring onions into it. Next add salt, turmeric powder and cumin powder. Now mix them well. And put a lid so that it can boil well and soak the extra water. You can add some red chili powder if you want little spicy. And fry it till it come to brown color. So your fry is ready. You can serve it rice and roti. I hope you like this simple recipe. If you like, then please like and share this video. If you want more video, then please subscribe my channel Tummy Kitchen. Thank you.